how to buy repair service subscription on Uoons app and register as a service provider. First of all, open Google Play Store on your phone. Type Uoons in the search bar and download the Uoons electronic shopping app. Once downloaded, open the app. Here, you have to select the language. Select your language from the drop-down menu and press the Select button. Now click on Sign Up. Enter your phone number such as +91 and your number. Click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP and verify. Congratulations, your account is created. Now go to the home screen. Click on the Repairs and Services section here. Select the Repairs and Services Registration Subscription for 12 months offer. Its offer price is just 3,498 rupees. Click on the offer, enter your PIN code and check. If your PIN code is in the service area, click on Place Order. Now go to the Account tab and click on Repairs and Service Registration. Here, fill in the service details. Congratulations, your service is now live on Uoons. Promote your service with Uoons and start earning without commission. Thanks for watching.